Hey guys, it's Tate. Just thought it'd be fun to upload some of the old pics I've had in the last couple of years that I've caught in various creeks throughout the U.S. I work for a company where I'm really fortunate to fish throughout the Midwest and caught a lot of these fish in Missouri, Indiana, Pennsylvania, New York, Ohio, and a couple other states. So pretty cool smallies, a few largies and spots in this one. So hope you guys like the pics. I wish I had the videos. Unfortunately, several of these fishing trips, I did not get up to speed on the GoPro stuff and get the videos of them. But the pics are still fun to look at. Got a lot of nice 12 to 15 or so inches of largies and some smallies, and then there's a picture, and I think one of my biggest large ones that I've caught is was around a 4 pounder, 4 or 5 pounder out of a really small little county pond here in St. Charles County, Missouri. So hope you enjoy the pics, and of course this is definitely not a video, but still fun to check out the pics of the catches, and hope you guys enjoy it. That's it.